15 top-rated tips for naturally pink and soft. Lips. Want naturally pink and soft lips? Here are 15 highly effective tips to achieve beautiful, rosy lips effortlessly. 1. Use rose petals, crush rose petals, and mix them with milk or honey. Apply this to your lips for a natural pink glow. 2. Apply beetroot juice. Beetroot juice gives an instant pinkish tint to your lips and keeps them soft. 3. Honey and lemon mix. Honey moisturizes lips, while lemon helps lighten dark pigmentation, making lips look fresh and pink. 4. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera hydrates and repairs lips, preventing dryness and restoring natural pinkness. 5. Massage with coconut oil. Applying coconut oil regularly keeps lips soft, nourished, and naturally pink. 6. Milk and turmeric paste. A paste of turmeric and milk helps reduce darkness and brings out a natural glow. 7. Sugar and honey scrub. Exfoliate your lips with sugar and honey to remove dead skin and enhance their natural pink shade. 8. Tomato juice. Tomato juice works as a natural bleach, reducing lip pigmentation and making lips look pinker. 9. Rose water and glycerin. This combination keeps lips hydrated, soft, and naturally pink. Apply it before bed for best results. 10. Vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil repairs damaged lips, keeps them moisturized, and enhances their natural color. 11. Green tea bags. Pressing a used green tea bag on your lips hydrates them and reduces discoloration. 12. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice naturally enhances the rosy color of lips and keeps them fresh. 13. Yogurt and honey. Mixture. A blend of yogurt and honey hydrates lips, making them soft and pink. 14. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water prevents dryness and helps maintain naturally pink lips. 15. Use SPF lip balm. Protect your lips from sun damage and pigmentation by applying an SPF lip balm regularly. By following these simple yet effective tips, you can achieve naturally pink, soft, and beautiful lips effortlessly.